ladies, you love it. You gotta have it. Cinnamon Toast Crunch, because that cinnamon and sugar is so irresistible. Everybody craves those crazy squares.
My son is a picky eater. He wasn't getting the necessary nutrients, so my pediatrician recommended Pediasure.
Pediasure.
Tornado emergency for Durham. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a tornado warning for Central Durham County in northern North Carolina, Orange County in northern North Carolina, until 8:17 p.m. At 6:33 p.m., local law enforcement and the National Weather Service has detected and observed an extremely large and dangerous tornado 2 miles northwest of Hillsborough, moving southeast at 65 miles per hour. In addition, Doppler radar has also indicated that heavy thunderstorms and extreme flash flooding has also been reported throughout the city of Durham with this tornado. These thunderstorms are happening every 10 seconds, causing unbelievable fires and destruction to occur, while extreme flash flooding is imminent as well. It is also reported that this tornado is expected to wipe out the city of Durham and surrounding areas, leaving nothing but a wasteland full of debris, making this the most record-breaking tornado never ever seen before. Tornado emergency for Durham. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, tornado. Source, local law enforcement and Doppler radar confirmed tornado. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely, and complete destruction is possible. This dangerous storm will be near Duke Forest around 6:38 p.m., Durham around 6:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Durham, Ragtown, Duke University, Hillsborough, Windy Hill Farm. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in a mobile home or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in a nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide or obscure this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.
With new Simply Homemade Bread Mix from Fleischmann's. Just stir, let rise, and bake. New Simply Homemade from Fleischmann's. Unbelievably good.
She changed her dress 3 times, but all you notice is her beautiful, healthy skin.